Good morning, good traders. It's Monday, March 3rd. It's the start of the last leg of the quarter. And what a week it was last week. If we start on the daily chart, we don't see much of what we're gonna and about to see when we go to the hour and 15-minute chart. We're still trending on the higher range of the stochastics values here, both fast and slow, somewhat grouped to the upside of the 80s level. However, last week Trump clashed on the foreign policy, wielding economic threat. So this is what's going on the hourly chart. The Asian markets, however, mostly rose overnight in the pre-market as investors awaited for clarity on the tariff plans. So, like they say, all news is good news. But yesterday, if you just have a look at this big confusion here in the aftermarkets or during Tuesday to Thursday, look at this slow stochastic. It doesn't know what to think of this. Mostly down, of course. Confusion always pushes the markets down. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And you really don't want to be trading these ranging conditions. Even on the hourly chart, you really cannot make anything out of this. It is so easy to be a profitable trader when the trend is clear, but not in these conditions. 1 hour down, 1 hour up, 1 hour up, 3 hours down. Nothing clear here. And then 15 minutes. This is Friday European late session and aftermarket and US later session. Okay, today, this week is gonna be Monday, is gonna start big in US, 10 o'clock. Be aware that there will be construction spending, ISM Manufacturing, and the big one, 9:45 a.m. New York, the S&P Final U.S. Manufacturing PMI. So expect a high volatility, 9:45 U.S. That'll be around in European time between the hours of 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. We are grouped to the upside in the 15-minute. Hourly is going there because of the tariff expectations and the clarity to them, but we really want them to be grouped together, or the slow stochastic to be grouped on the high side and this fast one returning to it. For example, here, slow showing the way or leading the way and the fast one returning to it, or the bigger picture here. Market is going or staying at higher levels and fast one confirming it. But altogether, this is ranging conditions, so 15 minutes or even more precise trades. You might be wanting to look trading the open of Europe or open of the US, so you can get these 15-minute scalps this way. Using the double stochastic strategy. If you're new to the channel, you can see my video here on how to use the double stochastic strategy and why it is so powerful. We trade and use the stochastics mainly and the double strategy here on this channel. Okay, be aware of the US Open. It's going to be a big one, PMI, construction spending, and ISM Manufacturing early in the US session open. Today is Monday, early pre-market hours. I'm happy that you're here. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. I'll see you tomorrow.